There's more to the combo life. In traffic, the adaptive cruise control system brakes and accelerates to maintain a safe driving distance from the vehicle in front until the road clears. Forward collision alert warns you of a potential collision with the car in front or a pedestrian. That's when the automatic emergency braking will kick in and bring you to a safe stop fast. If you accidentally drift from your lane, then the combo's lane keep assist will alert you and gently help you regain control if you don't react. And with the side blind spot alert, a light on the wing mirror warns you of any vehicles out of view. Driving can be tiring. That's why the Combo Life's driver drowsiness alert monitors your attentiveness and suggests you take a break. Speed sign recognition helps you stay within the speed limit. Visible on the head-up display. Need more traction? Simply switch to IntelliGrip.